Hello, hello everyone. Is there anyone? If there is anyone, please confirm me. Am I visible or not? Hello. If there is anyone, please confirm me. Am I visible or not? Let's wait for a few minutes. Hello everyone. Just do a comments. Just confirm me. Hello Anusri. You are also Anusri. Hello. Okay. There is 6 viewers. Let's wait for few more minutes. Hi Debaroti. Hello sir. Yeah, thank you. Yes, thank you. Hope all are safe and secured. Well, today I'm doing this live session on balanced diet, on immunity boosting diet during COVID-19 condition, and I'm doing this live session on behalf of Shayata. Shayata, which is a charitable organization and is working on maternal nutrition, child malnutrition, on different nutritional awareness program uh, throughout the India, moreover approximately plus 15 states. Okay. Hello Purnimadi. Nice to see you all. Myself dietitian Anushri Mitra, and I am postgraduated in nutrition, and I am also a certified sports nutritionist. Currently I run my own diet clinic which is based at Kolkata, as well as I provide online diet consultation, and I'm in this field approx 8 years. Hello Kamal. Okay, you are from Nepal. Good. Let's join more. Well, today I will speak on balanced diet, and if you have any queries related to diet, you can drop in the chat box, and after the session I will try to clear that. सो फॉर करेंट सिचुएशन हम लोग काफ़ी दिन से घर पे अटके हुए हैं. सो समटाइम्स वी बिकम मेंटली ब्लॉक्ड, बट यू नो keep ourselves healthy and fit is equally important, and diet is the part of our healthy life. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि डाइट के लिए अलग से कोई टाइम, कोई सिचुएशन, कुछ एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं होता है. डाइट हमारा रेगुलर का जो फिज़िकल जो हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल है, जो फूड स्टाइल है, उसी का ही एक पार्ट है. सो टू कीप आवर सेल्फ हेल्दी, टू कीप आवर सेल्फ फिट, a balanced diet is very much important irrespective of any age group. Okay, keep dropping your question. I will clear after the session, right? So what is the balanced diet? Balanced diet का मतलब हमारा जो मेन 5 फूड ग्रुप्स होता है, दिस हैज़ टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन आवर रेगुलर डाइट. अब ये 5 फूड ग्रुप्स क्या क्या है? 5 फूड ग्रुप्स का मतलब फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज़ द सीरियल्स. सीरियल्स मतलब राइस, वीट, मक्की, रागी, ओट्स, whatever is produced in your state. सीरियल्स प्रोडक्ट डाइट में प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी में होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सीरियल्स आर द मेन सोर्स ऑफ आवर एनर्जी एंड अदर इट कंटेन्स अदर माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट like vitamin B complex, which is very good for our health. Second group is the dal, different types of dal products. Dal contains good quality protein, so it also have to include in our diet on regular basis. Third group is the vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits contain different types of vitamins and minerals and fiber. So seasonal vegetables and fruits has to be included in our diet to हमारा न्यूट्रिशन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. एंड फोर्थ ग्रुप दैट इज मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट. मिल्क प्रोडक्ट मतलब पनीर, कॉटेज चीज़, दही, whatever is produced from milk. Milk and milk product which contain good quality of protein, calcium and other essential nutrients. So you can include a homemade fresh dahi in your regular diet, because dahi is a good probiotic. Good probiotic means it fights against bad bacteria and helps to keep our gut immunity strong, right? And if you are non-vegetarian, you may include fish, egg, chicken, all that item. And last group is the fats and oil. Fats and oil is also important. It's also important for our health, and you have to include in your diet in right quantity में include करना चाहिए. You may include desi ghee also. Okay, you may include some healthy nuts like almonds, walnut, which contain good fatty acid. So ये बैलेंस डाइट का जो गाइडलाइंस है, दिस इज़ फॉर irrespective of any age group. But we need to take extra more care for our children, for pregnant, and for the person who are above 60, and person who are suffering from any type of chronic diseases like liver disease, diabetic, who are diabetic, cardiac problem, or the person who are suffering from respiratory tract problem like asthma. They also need to follow a well balanced diet regularly. They need to take their prescribed medicine on time. They need to follow their meal time. Meal time is very much important, especially for the diabetic patient, to manage their blood glucose level. There are lots of questions. Okay, after the session I will clear that. So चिल्ड्रन एंड एडोलेसेंस के लिए तो बैलेंस डाइट इम्पॉर्टेंट है ही, एंड देयर डाइट शुड बी रिच इन प्रोटीन कंटेंट, little bit more protein content, because this is the growing period and they need higher protein to support their growth, for their bodybuilding, for their muscle growth. And their diet should be contain calcium rich food. Calcium rich food मतलब green leafy vegetables, legumes, sprouts, milk products. Calcium is required for their bone development and for मसल स्ट्रेंथ सपोर्ट करने के लिए. प्रेगनेंट वुमेन को थोड़ा सा सैनिटेशन के ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा केयर लेना होगा, एंड देयर डाइट शुड बी कंटेन ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, एग्स, दाल, दिस टाइप ऑफ आइटम. एंड इफ यू आर प्रेग्नेंट, you make sure that you are taking enough quantity of water, preferably lukewarm water, right? And if you are pregnant, you make also sure that you are taking calcium tablets and IFA tablets, that is iron folic acid supplementation tablet, which are available with ASHA. Okay, let me see. Okay, Mohammed, what are the best food items after miscarriage? After miscarriage, you make sure that she is taking enough quantity of protein rich food and other vitamins and minerals containing foods like green leafy vegetables, seasonal fruits diet में होना चाहिए, and milk products also. But you have to sure what is the reason of his what is the reason of her miscarriage. Okay, and according to that her diet will be made. मेजर न्यूट्रिएंट मीन्स हमारा जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स एंड माइनर विच नीड लिटिल लेस क्वांटिटी में we need, that is vitamins, minerals, fiber, that type of. High fiber food items, vegetables, fruits which contain more roughage. Okay, you may choose whole grain items rather than refined items. Fiber is important for our especially for the diabetic patient, for the cardiac patient, and who are willing to lose their weight. Well, so for that current situation we need to take some कुछ पॉइंट्स पर हम लोगों का ध्यान रखना होगा. What are that type of points? First is the you have to take adequate amount of water to keep yourself hydrated. Hydration is very much important for a good health. Second, you have to wash your hand. Obviously, wash your hand after handling of raw meat, fish, eggs, and of course vegetables, right? Third, you have to eliminate highly processed food from your diet, and the foods which are containing high amount of salt, sugar, oil, too much oily food, too much junk food, just to avoid unnecessary health issues. And diet के साथ साथ do regular basis some moderate to light exercise like free hand exercise, yoga, because एक्सरसाइज हमारा नॉट ओनली स्ट्रेस लेवल को रिड्यूस करते बट ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स टू बूस्ट अप आवर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम. You have to eliminate cigarette smoking, you have to eliminate alcohol consumption because it has adverse effect on our health, right? And most important point is the immunity. देखिए इम्यूनिटी एक दिन में स्ट्रॉन्ग और बूस्टअप भी नहीं होता है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन आवर रेगुलर डाइट. सो फॉर आवर करेंट सिचुएशन इम्यूनिटी बूस्टअप रखना important है. So you have to include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc and selenium rich food in your diet. So and other antioxidant rich food in your diet. So antioxidant के लिए you may choose dark and bright color of vegetables and fruits. Dark or bright color of vegetables and fruits like dark orange color of carrot, pumpkin, mango, orange, dark red color of pomegranate, watermelon, okay, dark green color of broccoli, cabbage, spinach and other leafy vegetables. You may include this type of food in your diet to boost your immune system. And there has some special foods which has the property, which has the power to boost up your immune system. Special foods like some spices, clove, ginger, garlic, turmeric, this type of food items. I'm giving you some tips how you include these food items in your regular diet. Like at morning, you may take a lukewarm water with some grated ginger and tulsi leaves and with some lemon juice, or you may take ginger lemon tea. After breakfast at mid morning, you may have a glass of amla juice or a whole fruit like orange or guava which contain good amount of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very good property of antioxidant, right? And during lunch time you may have garlic chutney or raw garlic. Okay, it has the antibacterial property. And at night after dinner, I mean before going to bed, you may have a glass of turmeric milk. You know, turmeric has the anti-inflammatory antibacterial property. So that way you may include this type of food in your diet. Yes, I have Facebook account, আপনি আমার সাথে টাচে থাকতে পারেন, আমি জানিয়ে দেব। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ রিতা। ইয়েস অফকোর্স বিকেলের দিকে এক্সারসাইজ করতে পারেন, যখন আপনার সময় হবে তখনই এক্সারসাইজ করতে পারেন। ওকে, আই টকড অ্যাবাউট প্রেগনেন্সি ডায়েট, জাস্ট চেক। ওকে, অন দিস পয়েন্ট may I just ask a question? Can guess anyone, just to take your attention, can anyone tell me the name of the food which contain vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E? Three of them in high quantity. High quantity में vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E containing food items. Can anyone guess the name of the food item? I am giving you three option. Is it carrot, or is it amla, or is it spinach? Just for a fun, just to take your attention, can anyone guess the name of the food item which contain in high quantity में vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E? Is it carrot, or is it amla, or is it spinach? Let's see, can anyone guess the name of the food item? Vitamin C, guava. No, I am giving three options. You have to choose among them. Is it spinach, or is it carrot, or is it amla? Okay, most of them are telling amla. No. Yes, it is spinach. Spinach contain high amount of vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. Okay, let's continue. Okay, yes, spinach. So अभी का जो सिचुएशन है, हम लोग लिटिल और मोर और लेस ग्रॉसरी के लिए क्राइसिस में तो है ही. सो आई लाइक टू गिव सम गाइडलाइंस, किस टाइप का ग्रॉसरी आइटम्स आप लोग घर पे रख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, cereals products like atta, maida, chawal, chirwa, rava, that you can make at least our main food items. I mean rice, poha, upma, that type of main foods. You may store dal, different types of dal, chole, rajma, that you can replace egg, fish and chicken with dal as a source of protein. Okay, you may store vegetables like potato, pumpkin, onion, and fruits like apple, banana, because this type of fruits and vegetable you may store you may preserve for long period of time. Some dry foods you may store like peanuts, cashew nuts, almonds, that type of items. Okay, so I would like to say, at last I would like to say that please avoid going out from your house unnecessarily and stay at your home, and please sanitize and wash vegetables, fruits or anything home delivered items before use, and do moderate exercise regular basis. That's it, and follow a balanced diet to keep ourselves healthy, because healthy रहना is very much important on that situation. Let me check the question. Okay, if your diet is not balanced, you will feel some health issues. For example, if your diet is deficient in calcium or vitamin D, you may suffer from leg pain, joint pain, laziness, depression, that type of problem. If your diet is not enough in protein content, you will suffer from lean body mass, and other type of protein deficiency like hair problem, skin problem, this type of. So that's why I always say that keep checking at least after 3 months and 6 months बाद आपका blood test कराना important है you for some macronutrient and micronutrient. আমি মাস্টার্স করছি ফুড অ্যান্ড নিউট্রিশন দেন। ওকে, আপনি এই পেজে ফলো করতে থাকুন। এখানে একটা খুব ভালো একটা প্রোগ্রাম আসে কমিউনিটি নিউট্রিশনের উপর ইন্টার্নশিপের। আপনি এখানে মেসেজ করুন এই পেজে, আপনাকে আপডেট দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে। Well, so stay healthy and stay your home, and most important, stay positive. Bye bye and thank you very much.